Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Shopify store to another Shopify store. So let's get in. On the left-hand side, at the bottom of the page, you will find your settings tab. And once you've opened this on the left-hand side from the menu, you will look for users and permissions. Now, on the very top of this window, you will see store owner. You will see all of your information. And to the right, you will see transfer ownership. And once you've clicked on this transfer ownership, you will then have this window open. Now here it does state that the new store owner will be able to remove you from the store or change your permissions, also view or edit credit card and banking information, and then also pause or close the store. You will now enter the email address of the person that you would like to transfer to, or the email account that is associated with the new store you want to transfer to. You also want to enter a first name, a last name, and then your own password, which is on this current account, just to confirm that you have access to the account, and you're going to tap on transfer store ownership. Now what will happen on the other end is you will get an invitation, and you'll have to just tap on accept invite, and you're absolutely 100% in. You'll have full access to that store. If this was a helpful guide, drop us a like, show your support so that we can continue making awesome videos. We'll see you in another one. Peace.